Hey, da, they sing. Hey, 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 hey. I know a yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. I know a yeah, yeah. A tiny elephant, he is a mammal. He stomps with pride, so strong and noble. He sprays cool water with his trunk. He loves to dance with joyful funk. He's big and kind with gentle grace. A happy smile lights up his face. Ethan the elephant, he's so admirable. E is for enormous and exceptional. Edward the eagle, he is a bird. He soars so high, it's quite absurd. He spreads his wings above the trees. He glides with style through mountain breeze. His eyes are sharp, his flight's a dream. He rules the skies with golden gleam. Edward the eagle, symbol of might. E is for elevate, reach the heights. Evelyn the eel, she is a fish. She swims through the dark, her glow's a wish. Wiggly and smooth, so sleek and fresh. Coral cave, she loves to swish. She sparkles bright, electric light. She glides through waves so smooth and slight. Evelyn the eel, endless and free. E is for electric, queen of the sea. Edgar the emerald lizard, he is a reptile. He shines so green, he's got that style. Basking in the sun, he'll rest a while, then dashes away with a cheeky smile. His scales so bright, they dazzle the aisle. He climbs up rocks, mile after mile. Edgar the emerald lizard, a reptile so wild. E is for extraordinary and emerald. Airy earwig, she is an insect. Her pincers look fierce and she means respect. She helps the garden, small but brave. She keeps the plants the way they crave. With tiny wings and tiny might, she works all day from morn to night. Erin the earwig, eager and bright. E is for earth, pure delight. I'm learning the alphabet, look at me. Learning has never been so easy. Every song teaches me new words. I sing each letter and brighten my world. A, B, C, those words will be mine. D, E, F, I sing and dance, this is my time. G, H, I learn every line. J to Z, it is my time to shine. Sing with me the alphabet, the best song you can get. Hey, yeah! Letters are fun from A to Z. Every word means the world to me. I learn, I dance, I sing along. Learning letters makes me strong. Everybody shout it, E, E, E. The E squad rocks in harmony. Ethan, Edward, Evelyn too. Edgar and Aaron, we love you. E's for energy, earth and shine. E's for everyone all the time. Let's go E squad, bright and free. E is the letter for you.